We begin the 7 a.m. bulletin with breaking news. As the political dust settles after the Bihar elections, the war of words seems to be far from over. The RJD has launched a scathing attack on the NDA, accusing it of manipulating the mandate. And an RJD MP has announced a Poll Khol Abhiyan, which is a public campaign to expose what they claim were irregularities in the voting process. The party alleges that the NDA stole votes to win. Just listen in to what the RJD Sudhakar Singh has to say regarding the matter.
पीछे मुख्य वजह क्या है?
वोट चोरी, 72 लाख लोगों की वोट चोरी कर लिए गए बिहार में। और दूसरा है कि जो पूरे बिहार के जो पैसे थे खजाने के, वह ब्राइबरी के रूप में, घूस के रूप में मतदाताओं को देने का काम हुआ चुनाव के दौरान। लोगों को लगता है सत्तारूढ़ दल को, भाजपा जदयू को, कि उनके कार्य बड़े अच्छे थे, यह तो ये 20 साल से क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे। जब देखा कि हम चुनाव हार जाएंगे, तो आइन चुनाव के वक्त 50 से 60 हजार करोड़ रुपए मतदाताओं को राजकोष से दे दिया गया। चुनाव आयोग मौन साधे रहा। लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड नहीं होने के चलते यह इस तरह का पूरा परिणाम आया है, जिसकी हम लोगों ने आज समीक्षा भी कर रहे हैं, पार्टी के लोग, शीर्ष नेता, और निश्चित तौर पे नए प्रोग्राम के साथ हम लोग बिहार के भीतर पूरे यात्रा करेंगे और पोल खोल अभियान चलाएंगे।
My colleague Tejshri has been tracking all that's unfolding behind the scenes. She joins us with further clarity this morning. Tejshri, take us through what exactly this Poll Khol Abhiyan Yatra will entail, and is there any specific evidence that the RJD claims to reveal?
Now, there has been no substantial evidence as far as the Poll Khol Abhiyan Yatra is concerned. But yes, as far as the election results of the Bihar State Assembly elections are concerned, we have been seeing that how Congress party has been talking about vote chori and have also been, raising guns at the Chief Election Commission, Ganesh Kumar. Not just that, but they have been talking about how Rahul Gandhi has exposed the entire election commission and the entire electoral system, talking about the hydrogen bomb, about the vote chori in Haryana, and then and prior to that in Karnataka as well. And now it is RJD who is chanting the same lines what Rahul Gandhi has been talking about before elections, saying that it will be carrying out Poll Khol Abhiyan Yatra, and then they will be exposing that how the votes were, either diverted or in fact individual voted for a couple of times in some of the constituency according to the RJD is what they have been alleging on the central government and the election commission as well. But as far as the BJP is concerned, the NDA is concerned, they have strongly hit out at the RJD, saying that this is not for the first time that they are crying when they start losing the elections or when the trends are not in their favor. But it is the time for the opposition to understand and introspect that what went wrong on the ground and why did they lose the election. But something like this about Poll Khol Abhiyan Yatra, it was very much expected that when the trends will start coming, then opposition, especially the Congress party, will start talking about Vote Adhikar Yatra, will start talking about, the vote chori and also about the narratives that they failed to set on ground, and BJP hitting out strongly at the Mahagathbandhan. Back to you.
Tejshri, thanks so much for joining us with this crucial update. Do stay on with us for the next crucial updates as well.